Hello everybody. We loved it so much we are going back. But
I didn't.
we will be going to a different site, so stay tuned and see where we end up. Hopefully it's as beautiful as yesterday.
We're gonna make it a surprise.
We're gonna make it a surprise.
Yes, we are.
We'll tell you when we get there.
Mom.
No air would flow through my lungs. Without you, I'd be forgotten. Nobody's singing my song. I'm safe as long as.
Yeah, it took lots of practice. All right.
Now we can go.
Yeah. You have your Oh, I have yours.
Okay, we're here. We're on our way, and wish us good luck. But we, well, should I say, all of us are going to. Well, we're at Big Sur, and where we're going is, what is this called again?
Gorge?
Yeah, the Big Sur River Gorge, I believe. It's about a 1.2 mile hike, and it's supposed to be a beautiful area to swim and stuff. And if we don't do this, then there's a lot of other spots. So stay tuned.
He's coughing on you, Dad.
No, I feel it on my neck. Oh my gosh. Find the "you are here," Gideon. Point to it. Oh, there you are. Okay, so now where do we go? We are going to the Big Sur River Gorge.
Okay.
So we are here. So we need to go take this down this way and go over there.
Up, down, cross the bridge. We're going down, up,
Okay.
and we're going all the way to up.
So it looks like
But we don't
need to do
Big
a-
Sur River.
so we're here.
Sur Gorge. We're there, and we will be going here.
So how do we do it?
So
Stay
we
here.
go up. We're here, so we go up, go to the bridge, go up. I feel good.
Okay.
Come on, guys, let's go. Let's catch up.
The Homestead Cabin.
Yeah, where people live.
Let's see, let's go read it. Their 4 children, Charles, John, Mary Ellen, and Julia, arrived in the Big Sur area in 1869, settling in Sycamore Canyon. 4 more children would be born on the homestead.
William, Frankfort, and Adelaide.
Wow, that's cool.
Look at this, how the cabins look.
Ready to go inside the water?
This is the campsite. You have to cross the bridge, but there was no bridge. So you cross the river and you get all wet.
Except our shirt.
Our shirts didn't get wet, but we fell. That was fun. That was a good adventure.
Yeah, we're still doing that.
And then you come down this little path on the left.
I don't want my.
What is that?
Squirrels, ground
Oh,
squirrels.
gosh. That scared me. Come on.
Then you come to the sign, look for this sign,
I just
and
ripped
it
it off.
says Big Sur River Gorge. Hardest part, if you have kids, is getting across the river, which is not deep.
Slippery rocks for sure.
Slippery rocks for sure.
I almost slipped. That was terrible. So the tip was is that we were way over there. Probably nobody could see us. Right there. And we probably would have had to just walk on the side for a while. So I think our river crossing was probably better because the terrain was better getting here. But if you can see, looks like people just go on the side.
Ah.
And there's kind of a different terrain. So
It's a lot more climbing if you stay on the opposite side or the side we were at. But with kids, that was not ideal. So we're here and we're gonna check it out. We're gonna go this way. don't know if I want to go over there. Pretty popular place, I guess, because it's only like a mile hike, and where my family, where Janie is at, so you could go down there if you have smaller kids. It's pretty easy to get to. I brought my 1-year-old, got there with ease. Like I said, the trickiest part was the little river. Other than that, but once you get here, you're going to be doing some of this. Made it back here safely. And this is where you want to be, guys.
Daddy?
Judah, come here, babe.
Daddy?
Judah.
Can I go there?
Where? Yeah, I'll take you. Made it. Except we got one crier. You got a little scratch. We'll be okay. Go. Go, go, go. Go up the hill.
So, we made it through the river on our way back to the car. I was just telling Andrew that I think that it's way easier to do all this stuff because now we have an idea what to expect. So now, we're on our way to the car. The boys found some sticks.
So much easier.
Magic wand, make us go faster.
Oh, this is nice.
Magic wand, make us slow.
Oh, you want us to be slow pokes?
Yeah, magic wand, magic wand.
Okay, well, that was our time. And there's
no kids
some
allowed.
Yes, there's kids allowed, but it's closed right now.
Yes.
We were gonna get food at the River Inn, but it seems to be closed, so we're gonna head home and see what we can get.
But the good thing is that that'll give us an incentive to come back. So that's the agreement, right? We're gonna come back, and we'll be able to make another trip out here.
It was so much fun.
Super fun. What did you think, boys?
Good.
Good. What about you, Judah?
Not good.
Why wasn't it good, puppy?
Because I got cold.
Yes, we did go on some water. But you'll see. You'll see in their
You'll see
video what
everything.
exactly these kids did and what's going on. So
Now, I think there's a few things you need to know. Like, bring excellent shoes to this one. You will definitely need actual hiking shoes.
yes.
Canes.
Or even like the Crocs that Gideon has. They're kind of water resistant, but they still on the bottom have some sort of, what would you call it?
Traction?
Traction. So
Yeah.
that'd be good. So, you know, that's the good thing. The good thing is that we did it. We had our 1-year-old in a
I don't know, like what is it called? Like a backpack?
Not in a backpack. No, she wasn't in a backpack. It was one of those carriers.
It was
The
hiking backpack.
Yeah, so we had her in like a hiking carrier that we've had since Gideon was little, so it worked out really well. So we definitely recommend it. You know, you'll know a little bit in the video, like I said, what trail we took and how much fun we had. So thanks for watching, guys.
Yes, thanks for watching. You gotta say anything since you were up here?
I don't know.
Oh, no, it doesn't know.
And that's Get the Kid.
All right, check out our way back. We'll do a little time lapse and let's go.